What to do during an earthquake, and what is earthquake, and what causes the earthquake. My name is Nathan Louis Jaspe, grade 10 Burnout. Good evening to you, ma'am, and to the people who are watching my video. Today, I'll be explaining to you what is earthquake, what causes the earthquake, what to do during an earthquake, and what not to do during an earthquake. Let's get straight to the first explanation. Okay, so the first thing to you, ma'am, that I will explain is what to do during an earthquake. Okay, while doing that, the first thing you need to do during an earthquake, for example, you're inside of your house or you're inside of a building, like you're at some highest point of the building or like highest floor, or like a high floor, I mean. For example, if you're inside the house, go out of the house as soon as possible. Oh, I'm sorry. While going out of your house, do the duck, cover, and hold protocols. And go at a very open area, stuff like that. Go far away from like a building stuff or houses like that. Just go a very open area where there are no buildings around you that it will fall to you. And if you're inside a building, just do that also. Just do the duck cover and hold thing while you're exiting the building. Find the emergency exit. Do as fast as you can to get out of the building, because you're still at a high point of the building. It's hard to get out. You must still go down and find and get and exit the building. I'm sorry. And let's get straight to the next explanation. Next explanation is what not to do during an earthquake. What not to do: don't panic, don't overthink, don't think negative stuffs. Just think positive, because if you think like negative stuff or overthink while during an earthquake, you will run out of time because you're just panicking or like overthinking. Because if you're still inside of the building must be destroyed, like some fallen bricks or some rocks might fall to you, and you're not doing the duck cover and the hold thing, so you must be dead as soon as possible, or you can't get out of there because it's too late. You're overthinking, you're panicking, stuff like that. Next explanation. Okay, I will explain to you, ma'am, what is an earthquake. An earthquake is an intense Earth's surface that shaking is caused by movements in Earth's outermost layer. This kind of stuff, like an earthquake, is a very serious moment or like situation. I mean, you must take it very serious, of course. Don't take it so funny or something like that, because it can cause like injuries and stuff, and maybe death. Let's get straight to the next explanation. I'm sorry. What causes an earthquake is by a sudden slip in a fault. When the stress on the stage overcome the friction, there is an earthquake that releases energy in the waves that travel through the Earth's crust. The Earth's crust, it causes the shaking that we feel, and that is earthquake, ma'am. And my name is Nathan Louis Jaspe, grade 10 Bernal. Thank you, ma'am.